made it. Where's this one? You wanna say hello to my vlog?
Hello, my friend.
Hello, Philippines. Where can I open this, brother? Ah, thank you. Ah. Hey, cash, yeah? Cash?
131 only.
Oh, 130, okay. One
30
and
only 30 pesos.
yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, yeah, take care.
Thank you. Get my bag.
Yeah, good luck. Enjoy.
I will. Thanks, my friend. Good business. See you later. All right, I made it. What a crazy ride. I love this. That's so amazing. Oh, security is stopping me. What happened? Did I do something wrong? Hello, sir.
Sir, our entrance is there.
I have to pay a fee?
No,
Entrance fee? Ah, okay.
No, okay.
Okay. Ah, okay, okay. No walking here. Thank you. All right. Some rules here. No walking over this fence. Very strict, this security guards, but friendly. All right. Let's see if I find my Australian friend, Dalton. Let's see if he's here. Hello, sir.
Stop here, sir. I take your photo.
I have my photo. Thank you.
Let's go there, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh no, I'm walking a little bit.
Yeah, but much better you want to go Intramuros.
Oh.
Means inside the wall. I guide you, I explain to you what happened before.
Oh,
When
okay.
Spanish conquered Manila.
What is this? This is the oldest part in.
Yeah, Fort Santiago, Philippine Hero Prison Cell.
Oh, okay.
You can see the dungeons, the cannons, the cave, and then I explain to you inside.
500 pesos.
Yeah.
Also, when we two guys,
No, only only horse.
I
Yeah.
have a friend.
Yeah.
I have a friend.
Yeah. 530 minutes guided tour.
Okay.
Okay. With the
Okay,
horse.
maybe later. I want to have a look first,
Yeah.
and maybe later I come. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Because here, right, Intramuros, and then you'll be back here, the place.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Much
Okay.
better to ride.
Later, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks
Come on.
good. Looks good.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany.
Far away.
Europe.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But I came from Australia now.
I have a friend in Berlin.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Same leg here. Take a picture here.
Take a picture of this
Yeah, come
horse.
on.
What's his name?
Rambo.
Rambo. Oh, can I pet him? Yeah, little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, hello Rambo.
Yeah.
How old is he?
Free.
3. Is it old for a horse?
Young, very young.
Very young. Oh, that's good. Nice
come on.
horse. Yeah. A little later. I want to look first. I need to meet my friend here.
Filipino?
I want to meet. No, Australian.
Australian.
Australian friend. And then I come back later. Maybe with my friend. Do you have 2 seats or only 1?
2 to 3 to 4.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
I come back. What's your name?
June.
Anong pangalan mo? I'm Filipino.
Ang pangalan ko, Edward Roque.
Edward.
Yeah, other name, June.
Nice to meet you. I'm Andy.
Mandy?
Okay, it's Andy.
Andy?
Andy.
Oh, Filipino name, Andy.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, my friend.
Okay.
I will have a look.
Yeah, come on.
It's back in half the bike, half the fuel,
Yeah.
half the time. Like you said, you go a bit faster.
Looks a little bit like Chinatown.
It is, isn't it?
I just-
I wish you know. Have you been to Vietnam?
No, not yet.
They do the best fucking coffee, man.
Oh, really?
Yes. Vietnamese coffee and then coconut coffee is just.
This one.
Divisoria. Oh, Divisoria Market.
Yeah.
Where?
Ask him if it's open today.
Yeah.
So very perfect.
How much?
Oh, I'm sweating my ass off here. Now it gets 1,000.
Yeah.
It's Ghost Rider, man. What is he doing? Ah, okay. That's crazy, man. That's what he's doing.
Yeah, 200, 200.
200? Yeah, not that bad. No wonder, yeah. Close to that.
Hello, vlog. And we have Jollibee. I think he's driving in the wrong direction, or what?
I don't know anymore. He'll take us somewhere. I think it was like that.
Hello. Some sweets. Think straight.
So much just back in.
They're lowering cars here. That's a little bit.
Hey?
They shouldn't allow cars here.
Hey, there's no rules here.
Yeah, of course. Maybe we find a balut here to try.
What?
Balut, this egg.
that?
This egg was really possible.
Ah, yuck. No way then.
Want some fruit though. I would like a coconut or something.
Yeah, well, coconut's back there.
We saw it, yeah, maybe then.
Yeah, go check it out. Coconut fruit.
Like fresh coconut.
Fresh from the coconut.
Chilled.
Manong napala, mukhang matapang. Pero hindi sista dapat ang iyong lukusan sa
That like because you only listen to he's like 30 days.
I think that's fried bananas. Hello, boss.
Hello, sir.
Is it fried banana?
Yeah.
How much is it? One stick?
55.
55? Okay, I take one. What is inside here?
Banana.
Also banana, okay. I take this stick, please. Oh shit, do you have small?
God, no.
Oh,
Okay, way too small then we get that.
Do you have change?
Ah? Wala pa nga.
Oh, 100.
Oh, okay. I owe you a little bit. just one, yeah?
One.
One, yeah. One is 55.
25.
Ah, 25, okay. Ah, he's frying it fresh now. Ah, yeah. Sir, can we hop on? No? I don't understand this. Brother, how do I get on a jeepney?
No jeepney.
How do I get on a jeepney?
Tricycle. Go to Intramuros.
Nah, we want to try jeepney.
Jeepney,
But
yeah.
nobody is stopping. We're asking.
Yeah.
Why no? I just say.
Yeah.
Yeah, just say.
Hoy!
Now he's stopping. Okay.
Doton!
Okay, okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, Falcon. Okay. Let's go inside.